Hello friends, so in this video I will be sharing a very important topic for nowadays, and that is cancer vaccine, and we will talk about the horizon for cancer vaccine these days. But before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So, depending on medical history or medical record, this is actually exciting that it may be the other penicillin movement in scientific history, or you can say the cancer therapy. Okay, so now I will tell you how it works. Like, scientists identify genetic mutation in the patient's blood and body. When talking about tumor, they look for different mutations, around 35 mutations which can attack the cancers, and these are then loaded into a single molecule of messenger RNA that we all know is also known as mRNA, and this is actually a molecule in cells used to make proteins. Through this process, a personalized vaccine is created to kill cancer cells, and it is an absolute word first to show that you can personalize a cancer vaccine in patients who already have cancer. Some patients only receive the personalized vaccines, others had the vaccine alongside an immunotherapy drug. Every 3 weeks for a year, there is reduced risk of that melanoma occurring by 44 over and maybe above 44. So, standard immunotherapy, despite showing early promise, these finds haven't yet been published in a scientific journal or anywhere, like in medical records or somewhere, or it's for reviewed also by the scientists, and will trial the vaccine in 1,000 cancer patients approximately. So, for more than 200 years, vaccines have helped prevent deadly diseases caused by viruses and bacteria, according to research published by Cancer Research Institute. And this was all about the cancer vaccinations and how it affects. Now I will tell you about the cancer vaccinations which are discovered in the past few years and we are giving to the patients. So, with microbes, the antigen presented is clear, but this, however, is not the case with cancer cells, which present similarly to their healthy counterparts. Usually, the development of cancer vaccines is therefore challenging, and sophisticated strategies are required. So, we should be very careful. Several viruses causes cancer, as we all know. Preventive cancer vaccines include those developed to fight HBV, that is a liver cancer, and HPV, that is a cervical cancer, according to Cancer Research Institute. For example, there are several vaccines like Cervarix, Gardasil, and Gardasil 9 which protect against different strains of HPV, and HBV vaccine which protects against HBV infection also and associated with liver cancer. And therapeutic vaccines helps the body recognize the differences that distinguish cancer cells from healthy ones, such as high levels of protein prostatic acid phosphatase, that is also known as PAP, and which is overexpressed by prostate cancer cells. And the other thing, that is neoantigen vaccines are developed based on mutations in cancer cells and that are called as neoantigens. So it's a little bit important that the upside of neoantigen vaccine is that the immune response can attack cancer cells only and spare healthy cells which do not express mutations. So this was all about the horizon for cancer vaccines. So just let me know in comments if you have any further questions. So take care, bye bye.